If you're wondering how to monitor stock prices effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into how you can use Browse AI to track stock prices seamlessly, giving you a simple but powerful tool that could revolutionize how you stay on top of the market. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal how you can get your hands on an exclusive, extended free trial of Browse AI, which will help you get started immediately. Browse AI is an AI-powered web scraping tool designed to extract data from websites automatically. What sets it apart is its user-friendly interface and no-code setup, making it easy even for beginners to use. Whether you're a beginner investor, a financial professional, or simply someone who wants to track stock prices with minimal effort, Browse AI simplifies the entire process. To start monitoring stock prices with Browse AI, you don't need to be a tech expert. The platform allows you to create robots that will scrape data from specific stock tracking websites or financial platforms like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. These robots act as personal assistants that gather real-time stock data for you without any manual searching required. You can even customize these robots to monitor specific stocks and get notified whenever there's a price change or market fluctuation. Setting up Browse AI is straightforward. Once you sign up, you'll access a dashboard where you can set up your monitoring tasks. To track stock prices, simply input the website where the data is located, and Browse AI will automatically detect the necessary elements. It uses visual web scraping, meaning it can recognize web pages just like a human would and extract the precise data you need, such as current stock prices, market cap, or trading volume. Browse AI works in real time, so you'll get updated information quickly. You can set the frequency of data extraction, whether it's every few minutes or once a day, depending on how closely you need to follow the stock. And if you're following multiple stocks, Browse AI can track them all at once, saving you time and energy that would otherwise be spent jumping between tabs or apps. One of the biggest advantages of using Browse AI to monitor stock prices is that it can handle a variety of data extraction tasks. It's not limited to just prices. It can pull other relevant stock information like trends, historical data, and market performance. This can give you a more comprehensive view of a stock's trajectory, which can be crucial for making informed investment decisions. Another key feature that's worth mentioning is the ability to automate this entire process. Once your robots are set up, they can run in the background, sending you alerts or reports based on your chosen preferences. This means you won't have to worry about constantly checking in. Browse AI will keep you updated, leaving you free to focus on other aspects of your financial strategy or life. If you're worried about technical details, you can rest easy. Browse AI is designed for simplicity. Its intuitive interface guides you through every step of the process, so you don't need coding skills or technical expertise. It's a tool that prioritizes accessibility while providing powerful functionality. As I mentioned earlier, you can use Browse AI completely free by clicking the link in the description below. Not only that, but we're offering an exclusive extended free trial that will give you additional features so you can get the most out of the platform. This is a great opportunity to explore all the ways Browse AI can help you monitor stock prices with minimal effort and maximize your investment decisions. To wrap up, Browse AI is a game changer when it comes to tracking stock prices. It's intuitive, automated, and customizable, which makes it perfect for anyone looking to keep a close eye on the market without all the hassle. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the link below and start monitoring stock prices with Browse AI today.